And tonight here along the Central Coast, health experts are preparing plans to distribute the Pfizer vaccine that's expected to arrive here by next week. The number of doses is based on county population. Monterey County expects to receive close to 3,000 doses. Santa Cruz County just under 2,000, and San Benito County will be able to immunize 349 people. Our KION's Drew Andre joins us live tonight in Santa Cruz with the county's plan to distribute vaccines once they become available. Drew.
Well, Veronica, the health department will receive that first dose of vaccines. Then they'll distribute it to the local hospitals around here. But in several months, we could start seeing mass vaccination distributions.
When it comes to vaccines, we are literally full steam ahead, but building the train as we roll.
The first Pfizer doses arriving in dry ice will be given to what the state has designated as the most vulnerable industries: hospital staff, skilled nursing facility residents and workers, then paramedics and EMTs, and dialysis centers. But that first shipment won't cover everyone in the top priority category. The Santa Cruz Chief of Public Health says more is quickly on the way.
We already have the opportunity to do a second order for our Moderna vaccine, and we're expecting to get 2,800 doses arriving at the end of, hopefully by the end of the month.
Monterey County tells us they expect nearly 5,000 doses from Moderna next. All of the so-called Tier 1 recipients will be vaccinated before anyone in the general public will get the vaccine. Herrera says that won't be before spring. However, they're not starting from scratch when it comes to mass distributions.
We know how to do mass vaccination clinics. We have models of what's worked before. We have recent experience from like H1N1. Drive-through clinics would be a great intervention.
And only 50% of the country gets vaccinated. You're not going to have that umbrella of protection of herd immunity.
Dr. Fauci says at least 75% of people will need to receive the vaccine for protection from the virus. So organizations here on the Central Coast like Salud La Gente and Public Health Department say they plan on doing community outreach to inform the public.
We highly encourage it. The process for vaccine safety is very rigid.
Now, shipments of the vaccine will start arriving weekly here, likely starting next month. Once we get to that point, they'll start being shipped directly to the healthcare providers for them to begin to distribute it. Veronica?